94% of small and medium businesses rely on the cloud for backup or storage. Still, most don't have a real plan to recover their systems if something fails. That's a serious risk. As Atul Bhagat, President and CEO of Base Solutions, puts it, cloud disaster recovery is more about business resilience. Companies investing in proactive recovery solutions safeguard their operations and maintain customer trust. Cloud disaster recovery gives you a way to get back online fast after disruptions, without the cost of maintaining physical servers. Instead of relying on outdated systems or manual backups, your data is continuously replicated to the cloud. That means when a server crashes or your network is hit by a cyber attack, you can restore everything quickly and with minimal downtime. The best plans use two key metrics, recovery point objective and recovery time objective, to measure how much data you can afford to lose and how fast you need to be back up. Automated tools handle most of the work, and regular testing ensures the plan works when you need it most. Businesses across industries, including healthcare and retail, now rely on cloud disaster recovery to stay compliant and operational. Thomson Reuters saw real gains after switching to AWS Cloud Recovery, less downtime, and a faster response across 300 servers. Want to see how this works step by step and how to choose the right provider? Read the full article on our website. You can also add this to your playlist and revisit it anytime.